who you are and where you are from over in the chat box, and we will go ahead and get this party started. I have some awesome information to show you all today and want to go over what we have been doing with our new software, show you how it's going to be used, and hopefully, if you are interested, you will be able to jump in. So welcome in, James. Welcome in, Matthew. Welcome in, Avi. Welcome in, Thomas. Welcome in, Brett. Welcome in, John. Welcome in, Dean. Welcome in, Edward. Welcome in, Teresa. Welcome in, Freddie. Welcome in, Edward. Welcome in, Gabriel. Welcome in, Teresa. Welcome in, Thomas. Welcome in, Edward. Welcome in, Keith. Welcome in, Avi. Michael, good to see each and every one of you all here today. Welcome in, Jay. It's been a little bit. Welcome in, Dennis. Welcome in, Mark. Now, let me know if you all are hearing me okay. I actually got a new computer over the last couple of days because my last one ended up going down, and I'm like, okay. And wanted to make sure that everyone was able to hear me. Let me just see something really quick. Yeah, just give me a 222 over in the chat box if you are able to hear me. Good. All right. Awesome. Looks like everyone can hear me perfectly fine. Welcome in, Arnie from Virginia. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the way that I want to get this started is going to be the easiest way for you to be able to get lots and lots of traffic on your videos and on your videos that you sell to local business. Because I absolutely positively love this tool. It is the fastest, best way for you to not only build a list for yourself, but also for all of your customers. Now, let me go over the positive parts about the list builder and go over some things that you all may have some questions with. Now, what is the list builder? What the list builder allows you to do is the list builder is a gateway. It is a video gateway, which simply just means this. What it allows you to do is it allows you to collect lead information by offering people the chance to put their information in to be able to see what is behind your video. Now, the way that that works is pretty easy. I actually have it set up here, and I'm going to show you all a video of using it. Let me just go over to my project section for you all, and I am going to actually give you all this URL for each and every one of you all to go through, and then what you are going to see is how it actually works, okay? I will show you how it works, all right? All right, so let me go ahead and I will answer your questions over in the chat box. So let me give you a list builder example template. Okay, putting that over in the chat box. Let me know if you are in need of the link. Just put the word link over in the chat box, and what we'll do is I will grab that link. We will grab that link for you and let you and send that link over to you, okay? So just let me know over in the chat box if you are in need of that link, okay? Now, one thing that a lot of people are asking me right now, and let me just do this really quick. Hold on, let me just make sure. All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. A lot of people, what they are asking me right now is this. They are asking me, well, Dean, what is the difference between the advanced opt-in and the difference between the list builder? And that is a very, very, very great question. And the biggest difference between the advanced opt-in and the list builder is that the list builder actually collects the lead information from each person who puts their information into the list builder, okay? What it does is it actually will collect those leads for you. And as you actually go through and you watch this video and you go inside of the video, what's going to happen is I added my email address, and I can actually add someone else's email address who would like to be a test dummy today. Let me know over in the chat box if you'd like to be a test dummy. And what I want you to do is I want you to give me your email address, and I'll add your email address in here, and you can see how this works. Edward, so we're going to add yours first because you were the first person. Now, as you can see here, I have this information here where it says just put in your email addresses, right? So it says email notifications. I actually have that email notification down. I have that notification in there, and then I am going to save that notification. Now, what's going to happen is this. Is each and every one of the people who enter this form or go through this list builder is now going to, I am actually going to be getting an email for each and every one of you all who went through here. And let me just show you that in my email address right here. So what I can do is I could see each and every person who went through there. So of course it was me first. Let's look here. So now we have Dean, which didn't enter in his full first name, David, we have Annie, Avi, we have Brett, and there in his email, we have CS, we have Keith, we have Michael, we have Edward, we have James, we have Bruce, we have Brenda, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, another thing is that is one way to quickly be able to build up your list, because now what you are doing is each time that someone views a video, you are actually adding them into your list. Now, a huge thing that I want to show you about this and why I love it so much also is the integration feature, right? So what happens is that once you have integrated this feature in, what you are going to be able to do is, let me just go to it really quick. I'm just going to go to the project. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into edit right here. And I am going to go into my elements. I'm going to hit list builder, and then I am going to see integrations right here. And let me just make sure that I'm using the correct one, and I am. So this one was, no, it was this one right here. I didn't want to do the remix. I want to do the original one. And now what we are going to do is we are going to go into elements. We're going to click on list builder, and we are going to go into integrations. And what you are going to see here is when I actually put in my Dean at videoremix.io. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is that I could go over to my element section. I could go over to list builder, look up my integrations. And now what I have is I have a full list of everyone who filled out that form and everyone who filled out that sheet. Now, this is absolutely positively great for you being able to move your leads over to a CRM, over to our smart email, over to different email marketing tools that you may need, okay? So not only can you download the list, but you can download all of your leads. You can get an email notification right as soon as someone fills out that information, and you can add up to four different emails for you to be able to use and to get those notifications. So before we move on right now, was this a template in Revolution? This is actually a marketing template that comes along with this package. If you love that template, then you are going to actually love all of the bonuses that you are going to get from in this package. So before we move on really quickly, let me know, what do you all think of the list builder? Okay, let me know what you all actually think with the list builder. Can we integrate list builder with smart email? Yes, you can. I'm actually going to, we finally finished smart email. We have an email that's coming out later today. I had posted it in our Facebook group, but I actually removed that just for privacy reasons. I didn't want people to, if someone's in there and they wanted to spam and mess up your sending reputation and all that, I didn't want to give that out in public. I will be emailing that to you all a little later today, okay? Very cool. How do I get it? Play the video. Not sure what you actually mean by play the video. Are you talking about playing the video that the list builder is on? I actually sent that to you all, but I can play that video also so that you can get a chance to see what the list builder is. Not sure why this is making duplicates, but okay. So watch to generate leads like magic. Watch our magic lead gen. Now, normally these are actually empty. So it would ask for first name. So what I'll do is I'll put in Bob, and then it'll ask for email, and I'll do bob@gmail.com. And then I click this button where it says start the magic. Now I did this little trick here for this to really stand out, but there you go right there. Now, another thing about our our player, and I'm not sure if you all are aware of this or not, but our player actually has, it has controls over what you want for your resolution. And all you have to do is, there is a little sprocket that is right here. And what you can do is you can change the resolution of all the videos that actually play. So if you want all of your videos to play in high definition, you can actually change that for them to play in 720. They can play in 1080. They can play in 540. And these are all things that your customers can do with your smart videos. So they can make them in high definition, or they can make them in lower definition. It really depends on how they would want that done, okay? So this is our list builder feature. All right. Now, a few things about our list builder feature is, how does it integrate with other marketing services? And that is a very, very good question. The great thing about this is that it takes webhook calls. Now, if you know anything about a webhook, where some of you all do, some of you all do not, what a webhook is a webhook allows you to communicate with various different softwares, okay? So let's say that you are someone who is using, that your customer, the local business that you're working with, the local business is using MailChimp for their email marketing. And what you've done is you have added the list builder to their emails. And what you want to do is you want those emails to go into their email service provider. At this time, it would be MailChimp. The great thing about that is all you have to do is add a webhook. So let me just show you how to do that. Normally, I just Google it, right? So add a webhook to, let's see, MailChimp, right? So MailChimp. okay? And by doing this, what will happen is that you can create a webhook in your MailChimp account, select the drop-down menu next to the audience you want to work with, and then choose settings. On the next, and we could just click on here so we could see how that goes. So you log into MailChimp, then you navigate to the audience page. Let's do that. You create a new webhook, you use the URL, and you click save. And all you have to do for that URL is put that URL right into our web call webhook address. So whatever that URL is that you would get from your ESP, whether that's MailChimp or a different company, you would put that there. And then what would happen is all of those leads would go right into your MailChimp account so that you could do email marketing directly from your MailChimp and you have your collection. Let me know what you all think about that. Great template. Does it autofill the person's name and email like the lead generator did? Okay, so the first time that anyone actually looks at one of these videos, it is not going to fill in their information, okay? You are asking them to put their information in. Once they have put their information in, then the next time that they watch those videos, it is going to auto-populate their information. So the first time, everyone has to put their information in. The second time, if they watch that video over again, it will auto-populate that information because now they are cookied in, okay? How are you dividing the heading into two lines? Are you talking about on the list builder? And if you are doing that, if you were talking about the list builder, hold on one quick second. Let me just do this really quick and show you how that is done. Okay, so how that is done, and it's actually very, very easy to do. So all I did here is I just put my caption right into the caption section, and then what I do is I just press enter until I press enter or the space bar until it moves over to the second line. Very easy, very easy, very simple to do, not hard at all. Another thing that you'll notice is that I actually changed my submit button. I actually put start the magic because I consider personalization to be like magic. So we put that information there because you can make all of those different changes. You can change the style. You could put your logo behind it. You can change the font. You can change the caption, font color, background color, opacity, if you want it to see through, how you want it to see through, background color. You can also add in a transition. So whether you want it to fade in, fade up, pop, all of these different transitions for you to be able to do. Now, how does this allow you to do list building, okay? How do I get the graphics in the caption? All I did was, these are just emojis that I put here. So all I did was add the emojis there. So you can add emojis in to your caption. So I just copied and pasted the emojis, this little sign thing right here. And then I just put that emoji right there. Okay. Nothing big at all. I actually like how that looks. I don't know. What do you all think? Do you all like how that looks? Being able to add that emoji and giving some color to it, right? Can you add animated emojis? You may be able to add animated emojis. I am not 100% sure about that. To be honest with you, I have actually not tried it. I know that a part of our system, we have animated emojis. I've never tried to use it in the actual field of using the animated emojis, but we could try really quick. Let me just see. I don't know if animated emojis, let's do this. Animated emojis. Let me see, animated emojis. I don't know if you're going to be able to do animated emojis, because animated emojis are actually more like GIFs, and it's not something that you actually copy and paste. So I'm not exactly sure about that. Let me just see something if these come up with animated emojis. Yeah, because animated emojis are actually like GIFs, so you cannot do that with List Builder, okay? Now, you can add a GIF if you would like. You would be able to add a GIF as your thumbnail, but you wouldn't be able to add it in here as a, I'm sorry, you wouldn't be able to add it as a graphic there because it's really considered a GIF, okay? So let me just put all of these down. All right, so now let's see if there are any questions. Can you turn the thumbnail? Can you change the thumbnail? Of course you can. The word is pronounced opacity. Thank you, Thomas. I appreciate that. Opacity, all right? Can you use it in the thumbnail? So maybe I have the advanced opt-in button, but no integration tab. What am I missing? There is a difference between the advanced opt-in, ladies and gentlemen, and the list builder. The difference between the two is the advanced opt-in just allows you to utilize the advanced opt-in, but it does not collect any of the data. It allows you to use an advanced opt-in to be able to personalize the video, but it does not collect any data. Let me know if everyone understands that over in the chat box, okay? Want to make sure that everyone understands that over in the chat box, okay? How are you entering the caption with your choice of where the Lou line starts? I just went over that a few seconds ago. All I do is enter in the caption, and then I sit here and I will press your space bar until it goes over to the next line. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Can you use list builder content in personalization? Yes, you can use list builder content in personalization. That is actually what I did for the video. Let me just show you all that. Let's do this. Let's go to the, let's go here on the video. And what I am going to do, you see how I have first name and then I could do email. So let me do this. And I'm just going to deactivate that really quick. And then what I'll do is I'll show you how that works really quick, okay? So first name, and then what we'll do is I'll just add email right here. So I'm just gonna go here, I'm gonna hit personalize, and I am going to add email. I'm gonna make sure that it's all uppercase. I'm gonna add email. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag that email down here. Okay. Now I can make all kinds of changes to this. I could do animation. I could make it advanced. I'm gonna take off scale to fit because I want to make this font size a little bit bigger for me to decide that font size. And then what I will do here is we can actually add in an animation. So I'll just do fade in left to right. So I have that animation there, and then I could save that. And what we'll do is we'll just produce that video and watch, ladies and gentlemen. Over in the chat box, let me put in list builder example template 2. Example template 2. Okay, and I have put that over in the chat box, and you all could take a look at that. And what will happen is this. Now that I have that there, what's going to happen? Actually, let's do this. I'm gonna do a whole new tab. Let's do a new tab so we get the beginning of that video. Hold on. I'm sorry about that. I did not. Let me go back here and do my element, and I need to activate my list builder. Let me save that. So I have saved, and then let's go over here and watch the video. All right, there we go. So now we could see where we could put that information in, and we could add their email address. And let's just do this. So now, does everyone see how? Okay. Does everyone see how I was able to add that email address? Does everyone see how I was able to add that email address right into the video from all of the information that was collected, right? It's very, very simple, very easy to do. It is not difficult whatsoever. Okay, it is not difficult whatsoever. So that is our list builder feature. One of the easiest ways for you to be able to build your list building for yourself or for your customers. Now, this is the thing about all of this, okay, is that the list builder is absolutely positively great. Would you all agree with that? That the list builder is a really good feature? Let me know over in the chat box if you agree that the list builder is a great feature. Let me know over in the chat box, all of the people in here, and seeing all of these leads. I got 48 new leads that are in here. So for building a list, it is absolutely positively powerful. And what you can do is you can use this on any type of content. Now, what I'm going to do next is I am going to show you one of my favorite tools that we are being able to use that is a part of this smart business package. Now, everyone needs traffic, right? You need to be able to get traffic from as many different places as possible if you want to build a list quickly and easily, okay? So what we have here is I'm going to take you over to what is actually called our this is actually called, and let me just sign out really quick. Let me log out really quick so you could see this. This is called our smart marketing hub, okay? It is called our smart marketing hub. And what I'm going to do is I am going to sign into our smart marketing hub, and you are going to see something that is absolutely positively fantastic, or at least I think so, right? So let me go ahead and enter this information in. Okay. And of course, it's asking me for. All right. So now the ability to be able to get as much traffic on your offer or on your videos as possible is all about social media management, okay? Now, how many of you all already have an auto posting, social media auto posting feature from you? I'm sorry. All right. Oh, I had that pause. I apologize for that. Let me just sign out and then sign back in. Sorry about that. Let me log out. This is called our Smart Marketing Hub. Now, how many of you all right now already have a social media marketing tool? Let me know over in the chat box. Give me a yes if you do. Give me a no if you do not. Let me know over in the chat box. Okay, some of you all are saying no, some of you all are saying yes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So if you want to get as much traffic as you possibly can, then you need to be able to post on as many social sites as you possibly can. And one thing about Smart Marketer is I think that it is one of the most comprehensive social media marketing tools, and it offers you a smorgasbord of different types of accounts that you can post to. Not only does it do posting, but you can do group manager, you can do captions, you can do watermarks, The great thing about it is look at all of the different types of accounts that you can actually add on our Smart Marketing Hub, okay? You can do Facebook accounts. You can do Facebook pages. You could do Facebook groups, which there aren't a lot of social media marketing tools out there that actually allow you to be able to post inside of groups. This one does. You can also do your Instagram profile. You can do your Twitter profile. You could do LinkedIn profiles, LinkedIn pages, YouTube profiles, and even your Google My Business page. Now, there is a lot that Smart Marketing Hub allows you to do. You could do Facebook posts. You could also do Facebook live streams. You could do Instagram posts, Instagram live streams, Instagram analytics, also Instagram direct messaging. On Twitter, you can do, you could auto do your posts. On LinkedIn, you could auto do your posts. On Google My Business, you can auto do your post also. And on YouTube, you can do a post and you can do a live stream on YouTube. And let me show you some of the things that you're able to do. You can also schedule all of your posts so that you can save a lot of time by scheduling your posts instead of every day have to go on there and have to do a new post over and over and over. You also have your account manager feature. Now, a part of Smart Business, because we want you to work with local businesses, what we are giving you is the ability to add unlimited accounts, okay? So you'll be able to do unlimited accounts, unlimited social accounts, and unlimited customers. You can also manage them, each one of your customers, by having all of their files put into your the software. Okay, so you'll be able to separate each business from each other. You also have a group manager here, which means that if you wanted to bring someone in, let's say you are you want to go out and you want to be able to sell the product, but you want to hire a VA to be able to do all of the posting work for your for that local business, you can actually add them as a group. Okay, so you can put a group name and then you could put all of their accounts there. You could also use a group to be able to group all of your customers together and all of their profiles, so you keep everything all synced in together. Okay, what I love too is the caption feature. You can actually make captions beforehand for you all to be able to use anytime that you would like. So you could add a new caption here, and so that you don't have to keep writing your captions over and over and over. So if you're working, let's say you're working with 3 different pizza shops, what you can do is you can automatically add captions in, and once it's your time to do the posting, the social media posting from them, all you have to do is select that caption that you've already pre-made instead of you having to write everything all over. And another thing that you are going to absolutely positively love is a watermark, okay? So what you are going to have the ability to do is you can actually set a watermark for each and every one of your posts, along with a watermark for each and every one of the local businesses that you work with. So now they don't have to, now their content is not only branded, right? But you can even choose where you want that branding to go. You could choose what you want that branding to be. You can move it into different places. You can even make it a little bit more transparent so it stays right here. So look at my transparency right there. I can make it where it's automatically transparent, but you can watermark each and every one of their posts, okay? Let me know over in the chat box if you all understand that. Let me know. That makes things even easier. Can you upload CSV to schedule your posts? I believe that you can. Let me find out about that. let me write that question down on whether or not you can upload a CSV. I believe you may be able to, but let me just find that out, Donald, and contact me in support, and I will find that out for you. Okay? Any other questions while I am showing this? Because I want to show you how I'm going to be able to make a post really quickly, really easily, and post it to over, let's see how many accounts I have here and how many pages I have. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 different accounts that I am going to be able to post on, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily that you're going to be able to do that, okay? Can you use it to watermark images, post it on other sites? I do not believe so. It would only be images that you are watermarking for your post. Okay, so this is only for your post. So let me just go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go to where it says publish all. I'm just going to go in here where it says link, and watch this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to grab this link right here. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to grab that link right here. I'm going to put that link in the URL. And now my thumbnail, I can change my thumbnail if I would like with the file manager, okay? So you can upload your own thumbnail. I'm just going to go with the thumbnail that I've already used. Now, a part of my video back here, and let me just show you this really quick. So in this video, in the produce section or the settings of this video, I already put what my title and my description was going to be, and I uploaded what I wanted for my thumbnail. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm not going to be worried about writing a description in because I already have a description there, okay? I already have a description there. I can change the thumbnail if I would like. That is easy to be able to do, but you could do a photo, you could do a video, you could do a link, and you could do a post. Now, what's going to happen is that with that link, it's going to show you over here what that link is going to look like on each and every one of the social sites that you are going to be using. So there is a preview here that's going to show you what that link is going to look like. Now for this, because we are doing a link, obviously links do not work on Instagram. So that's why you are seeing it blank right here for Instagram. That's why you are seeing it blank. Because it doesn't work on Instagram. A link doesn't work on Instagram. So we have Twitter that is right here, LinkedIn that's right here, Google My Business. It does accept links. Google My Business actually does MP4s. So if I was to upload an MP4 right here, what would happen is Twitter would be there, LinkedIn would be there, Google My Business would be there, and YouTube. So all of these would be filled out, okay? Can we white label the software? I'll show you that in a minute. How do I do an end screen for my videos? I'll go over that. This is not a video. This isn't about video editing right now. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go here right now, and I am going to post on all 13 of these sites. So all I'm doing is I am on the publish all link right here. I am seeing what it's going to be. So it's going to post to my It Takes a Village. It's going to post to my agency, my affiliate group. I don't want that. My sample group, my local 360, my video remix mastermind, my practice page, my second practice page, our Facebook page, our Instagram profile. It's actually not going to do that. LinkedIn, Twitter, all of those. And all I have to do is I could schedule this out right now. I could also schedule how many times I want it to post, how many days I want it to post. So if I want to post this every day at a certain time every day, I could set that up that way. Or I could just go ahead and I can post it right now. So let's go ahead and post it right now. It is saying that my caption is needed. Let me just take this caption right here, and let's just do this caption. Okay, I'll do this caption. I'll put in my caption. Okay. Just put in a caption, and now I'll just hit post now. Okay. YouTube doesn't like that post, so it's going to tell you or give you an error message on all of the websites that don't take that type of post. And I'm just going to say, yes, I'm sure. And boom, 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 in a few seconds, it is going to be done. And I have saved myself hours and hours and hours of time. Content is being published on 8 different profiles. So then I could go to each and every one of those profiles and be able to see that caption. How many of you all would this save a heck of a lot of time to be able to do that? Let me know over in the chat box if this would save you a whole bunch of time. How do you convert a video remix to an MP4? You cannot convert a video remix video into an MP4. You can screen share a video remix video and have it and download the screen share as an MP4, but we don't do MP4 videos. We only do our through URLs, okay? How do we get our client to attach their social media to the software? Well, if you are doing social media marketing for them, they always have to give you their account information. You can actually give them their lone login. They can upload the information themselves. But if you have someone who you are doing social media marketing for, most companies are more than aware that they need your login and your password. All right. Would I be able to post a video for one page to a social from Facebook to Twitter in one shot, then proceed into a next page with a complementary different video? No, what you would have to do is each one of those would be separate posts. You could decide which social media network or channel you want to post that to, but it would be different posts that you would have to do, okay? All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. It would save a lot of time. Now, this is just part number 2 of our smart business offer. The great thing about this is absolutely unlimited, so you will be able to manage as many social media accounts as you can handle, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you can resell this product, and I am going to show you how easy that is going to be able to do in a minute. Now, let's talk about something else. What else is it that businesses need? And I want to show you that. Retargeting. Now, how many of you all over in the chat box have ever heard of retargeting before? Give me a 222 in the chat box if you have heard of retargeting, because I am about to show you something that is going to absolutely positively not just blow your mind, but it is going to blow your customers' minds also, okay? So let me just show you how this is going to be done, and let me go over to this account. All right, so now what we are getting into, and this is a power packed, okay? This is a power pack software package, okay? It is over 5 different of our best software all packed into one package for you to be able to sell and to use for your business. Now, one way of being able to do that, how many of you all would love to be able to have a domain for all of your smart video links? Okay, how many of you all would like to add your website to those smart video links instead of them saying VidCloud, right? So let's just go over this video that I shown you real quick. Instead of having this, how many of you all would love to have this URL actually say your business and do advanced tracking? Let me know over in the chat box if you would love that, right? A lot of you all would absolutely positively love that. The easiest way of being able to do that is what is called smart links, okay? And as you can see right now, I am actually signed into smart links. And what smart links is it is a advanced link generator and shortener, okay? But it has some features on there that are unknown in this industry on things that you are going to be able to do that a lot of your clients are going to absolutely positively love you for. Now, one of the biggest features is you could shorten links one at a time or in bulk. You could add custom aliases. You can protect them with passwords, or you can even run a campaign by setting an expiration date. You can also order your links into a spaces to easy manage them. You could color code your spaces to recognize them. And you can brand your links with your own domain and increase your click-through rates up to 35% or more. You are also going to get analytics for each and every one of your videos. So you're going to get analytics insights for your links about your audience, their location, their language, their browser, their platform, their device, their source, and their social media. You can do geographic targeting, platform targeting, and you can share your links that you create via email, QR code, or through the most popular social networks, which is Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. And the scripts are also social friendly. So all of the pages have thumbnails, a unique title, a description. Video embed code is for YouTube only. You also have a team feature. So if you are someone who wants to bring on a teammate, or you are running a business together, you have a team feature. Are you all ready for me to show you exactly how you can make your own linked URL to say what you would like it to say? Okay, can you have the links expire? Yes, you can. So give me a 222 over in the chat box if you are ready to do this, and I will show you how this works. Okay. All right, awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in this URL right here, which is our VidCloud URL for our video, and I'm going to click on Advanced Options. Now, with this Advanced Options, you can choose a custom alias. So if you want that custom alias, you could choose it right now. So instead of it saying all of this right here, what should we make the custom alias? Over in the chat box, what do you think a good custom alias would be? Let me know over in the chat box. Okay, so socials.com. So it would be socials. Let's see, hold on. Wait 1 second. Let's see. He said change it to socials.com. We won't be able to do socials.com because we have not added in. You would have to have added in your domain, but I'll show you all how you are going to be able to do that with the domain. But even if you don't have a domain, you'll still be able to do it. So let's just go here and let's enter in socials. Am I getting that right? So socials. Now we're going to do a link expiration. So what I'm going to do for that expiration date is I'm going to choose that this link expires on 8/5, and then you can actually do password protected. You don't have to do password protected. If you don't want to do password protected, all you're going to do is leave the password out. And you can actually have a description for this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put in social link campaign. Okay. Now for your geo-targeting, if it was in the United States or another country, you could pick which country you want to use this in. You could have one link for the United States. You could have another link for a different country. It just depends on you. For the geo-targeting, for device targeting, you can actually use different links for an iPhone, iPad, Android, BlackBerry, or other type of mobile. You can also add in your targeting pixel. So if you're using Facebook ads or Google AdWords, you'll be able to do that. And then last but not least, you have a parameter builder, which is an add-on that you could do. So let's say the parameter you wanted to say first name, you could add that add-on in. I actually do a training on this. So now what we're going to do is I am just going to shorten this link, and it has been shortened here, and it says you can access this link via this. So now we have been able to shorten that link and add our own custom domain. Hold on one second. Let me just bring that up. I got so many of these, so I'm just going to copy that. Now, do you all see this? Congratulations, you successfully shortened. You could share it on Facebook or Twitter by clicking the links below. You can also save it as a QR code, okay? So you could save it as a QR code, and what you are going to see down here is you are going to see this URL that we have copied right here. And when we go to that URL, what is that URL going to do? It is going to bring up the video. So now we have our own alias. We have been able to link that URL to the video. So instead of it saying cdn.vidcloud.io, now we could use our example link page, right? And I'm going to put that over in the chat box for you all. So what you can do is you can actually click on that link in the chat box, and you could see how that is actually changed, okay? How we were able to change that link. Like I say, you could save it as a QR code. So this is the QR code right here. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, you could save it as the QR code and have the QR code used. QR code example. All right, so you could even do the QR code example, and it has its own URL also. So now you can get rid of that cdn.vidcloud with all of those letters, and you can actually brand your URL link how you would like it. Now, there's a lot of things that go onto here. You can also create splash pages. So a custom splash page is a transitional page where you can add a banner and avatar along with a message to represent your banner company. You can have unlimited splash pages, and you could choose one for each URL. You also have overlay pages where you can create. So an overlay page allows you to display a small, non-intrusive overlay on the destination website to advertise your product or your services. You can add your tracking pixel in. So whether it's a Facebook pixel, Google AdWords pixel, LinkedIn Insight pixel, you could add a Twitter pixel, ad roll pixel, QR pixel, up to you. And last but not least, if you want to add a custom domain, okay? For all of your customers, if you want to add a custom domain, you can actually add your own domain. So if you want it to be at your company, so for instance, we're at Video Remix, you can add that custom domain. What do you all think about smart links over in the chat box? Okay, the custom domain changes to VidCloud after you hit enter. It's supposed to change the VidCloud after you hit enter because you've cloaked that domain, but the domain is still there. You're just turning that domain into a different domain. So that link, instead of it saying the VidCloud link, right, it is saying the link that you want it to name it. That's a very, very good question. Awesome, 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 right? So there's a lot that you can do here. Also, you can even add in a team member. Like I told you, you can actually add in a team member. And now let's just go to the dashboard really quick, and let's go and look at this. Look, 33 links. What we could do is we could actually see what that, we could see the profile of what the link was. And look at that. You can actually see how many clicks you have. You have the QR code you could share on Twitter. Also, too, let's go back and let's look at, let's not look at that. What we want to do is we want to look at where that link is, all of the activities. So where that link is actually being shared on. We could see exactly where that link is being shared and all of the activity here. So we have Windows 10 user from the United Kingdom, Windows 10 user from France, Windows Team user, iPhone user, all of these different URLs right here for you to be able to, all of this different activity right here for you to be able to see, and it is happening to it in real time. Now, the great thing about this is you also get unlimited access to be able to make unlimited links, unlimited splash pages, unlimited overlay pages, unlimited custom domains, unlimited teams. You also have some tools here where you can even do a URL, or you have a Zapier integration that you could do. So if you use Zapier, you can actually add a Zapier integration onto there. Let me know what you all feel about that. It would be nice. Loving aspects of smart links. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. What is a splash page? I can actually make a splash page really quick and show you what a splash page is. So let's just say we're going to do it for smart business, and we're going to put this link right here. Upload avatar. Not sure if I have an avatar that is the right size for that. Upload banner. Let's just do this. And then custom title. So we'll put get a 10% discount, $10 discount with any purchase more than $50. Just like it says right here. Okay, and then we're going to create that splash page. Hold on, 100 PNG. Let me just see something. I think that I have a favicon. Let's see if that'll work. That should work. Let me see. $10 discount. Okay, so let me see if I can create that splash page. Hold on. Sorry about that. Favicon. And then it says the minimum width must be 9. Let me just see if I could use this as a banner. Hold on. Let me see if I have a banner that I could use. All right, let me see if that works. That may work. Okay, banner must be 900. I don't have, right now, I can't show you a banner just because I don't have a banner graphic to be able to show that, to show your splash page. I can show a, let me see, I can show an overlay page, which is right here, which is the live preview, because I've already done that. But I don't have the graphic sizes that are necessary to be able to do that. Sorry about that. But you could play around with it and you'll be able to do it, okay? There are tutorials. If they are tutorials, most of these are very easy. I am going to be doing a track. a training this week on these. And you will have all of the training videos to be able to use it. They are very easy to use, and most of them have walkthroughs for you to be able to use. All right, now, who is ready to move on to the next software in this package? I want to be able to get you all out of here soon. Let me know over in the chat box. Give me a 222 over in the chat box, because you are absolutely positively going to love this and how these are actually made. Hold on 1 second while I just bring it up. Okay, we got that. Let me just do, I just need my, hold on. Just pulling some of these down. And let me show you this. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, now a part of this package also is that you want to have a way to skyrocket your conversions and to increase your growth. Now, most of you all have seen these. When you all are on, when you're buying a product from JVZoo, you see these a lot. When you're buying products anywhere, you see these, and they are called notifications. How many of you all have seen website notifications before? Let me know over in the chat box. Okay. Over in the chat box, let me know if you have seen notifications before. William says, when sold to customers, who does the support? Not sure what type of support you are talking about, William. If you are the ones who are making this for your customers, you're doing your support. If there are any problems with the software, we handle the support. You just contact us, let us know that there's a problem with any of the software. We'll figure out what the actual problem is, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, is Smart Business a reseller option? Yes, it is a reseller option. So let me just show you about Smart Notifications really quick. Let me just log into Smart Notifications, because you are absolutely positively going to love this. All right, so let me just log in really quick. And what you are going to be able to do for the first time ever that I've seen is you are going to be able to build your own notification business, okay? You are going to get over 24 different types of notifications that you can easily and quickly be able to add to your landing pages or your web pages, along with all of your clients' landing pages. Now, let me show you how awesome this is, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to go and create a campaign. I'm going to put Smart Business. I'm going to put the URL for what that campaign is going to be. Okay, so the URL for that campaign, and I can actually include all subdomains. So that means that if there is a landing page, there's a more information page, there's a pricing page, what you can do is you can include all of those subdomains. And what I'm going to do is I am going to create this, and it's going to give you the install code of how you're going to install it. Very, very simple and easy to be able to install this. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to X this out, and then I am going to go down here and I'm just going to click on, I'm going to click on the one that I just made, right? I'm just going to click on this, and then watch this, ladies and gentlemen. I can create the notification. I actually like having this in dark mode. Let me just put this down here. Okay, let me just do something really quick. I always like, you could choose between light mode and dark mode. So I like doing dark mode. So look at all of these different types of notifications that you could do. Smart Business example. Example. Now look at this. You could do an information bar. Okay, you can do an information bar, you can do a image. So this is an information bar, which you're seeing on the screen right now. You could do a image collector bar, which you see at the bottom. You could do a coupon bar, which you see at the bottom. You could do a button bar, a module collector, model collector 2. So you could do give discounts and latest offers. You could do a call to action. You could do text feedback. You could do engagement links, informational. You could do a coupon, a live counter, email collector, latest conversions, conversion counter. So all the people that have bought the product, you can even do a conversion counter. You can do an email. I actually absolutely love email. So when they're on your site, you could do social share. You could do a random review, emoji feedback, cookie notification, score feedback, request collector, or a countdown collector. You have over 24 different types of notifications that you can quickly and easily add to any website, okay? Any website. Let me know if everyone understands that over in the chat box, and I will put this, I will actually do a notification with you. Let me know if you all understand that. Give me a 222 over in the chat box if you understand. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, watch how easy this is. Which one do you all want to do? Let me know. Which one do you want to do real quick? Do you want to do a live counter? Out of all of these, which ones would you want to do? An informational bar, image collector, model, video? Which one do you want to do? Put it over in the chat box and we'll make one right now. Video? All right. I thought that you all were going to say video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do video right here. I'm just going to hit create. And what's going to happen is it's going to give me a demo view right here. So a demo of the product. So I'm just going to leave demo of the product. You have to use a YouTube video URL. So let's just go to YouTube really quickly. And I'm going to go to the Video Remix YouTube channel. Okay, and I'm just going to grab one of our videos. Let's go to YouTube, and I'm just going to go to Video Remix. Okay, and then let me just use this URL. So this is our URL right here. This was a demo that was done years and years and years and years ago. So now I am going to go here, and I'm just going to put that URL in, right? I'm going to put that URL in. Hopefully that is public. Let me just see if that is public really quick. Hold on. Let me use a public one. Boom, boom, boom. This should be out.
Hi,
this is
Study here from Engage.
Okay, hold on one second. Let me go to my channel. Okay, and let's use this
Hello everyone,
one.
this is Dean.
So we got this URL right here. Okay. And then what I can do is I can use my button URL. So let's say if I wanted to, I'm trying to sell that product or go to a demo page. Let's just say I'm going to a demo page. So let me just use a demo page. Demo, hold on. I got a demo page right here. Sorry, you all, 1 second. Let me just bring up this demo page. Hold on. Just, hold on, you all. I don't know what just happened to my. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me just see what happened here. Hold on. I'm sorry about that. One moment, you all. I apologize. Just give me 1 quick second. Just trying to find the page that I just had up. Hold on. Chrome. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. New computer, new things. All right, so let me just go to this. And I have that URL, and let me just pause that and grab this demo link. Okay, so this is going to be my demo page link. So I'm just going to grab that really quickly. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that as the button URL. And I'm going to put find out more. Out more. Okay. And then I'm going to update that. All right, and let's just look at this. So we got the video. I'm going to make that way. And what we could do here is we could figure out what our triggers are going to be. So if I want to display it on a, I can choose how I want it. So whether I wanted an exit intent, so whenever they try to exit, it's going to pop up, or I could even do it by the scroll percentage, meaning that they've scrolled down on the page to a certain level, and you can do the scroll amount, or you can do display the frequency. So you could do once per visit, or once per browser, once per visit, all up to you. You can display it where you want to display it. You can take off the branding. You can display the close button, all of those things. And then you can actually customize it to where you want to show your title color, your background pattern, your border radius, all of these things you can do to that. And I could just update that really quick. And then what I'm going to do is I am just going to look at this notification. And let's see here. Now, let me just see why I don't know if my notification is not working for some reason. For some reason, it is not picking up that video. So hold with me 1 quick second. Let me see what's going on here. Why it is not, it could not be picking up that video. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay. All right, it looks like that video is actually a old video and gone. So let me do a different one. Hold with me. Okay. So here's another one that I created also. And we could just look at this one. And this one is a countdown timer that I've actually created. And the great thing about adding these to your website is it is very simple and very easy to do depending on what website you have. I normally use lead pages. So all you have to do is go over to data and you go over to your settings. And what you do is you just hit data here. You could do a webhook also. You could also get email. You could also get notified by email when someone files that out, figures that out. But hold on, this is my triggers and statistics. So what you are going to do here is you want to click on here. And then what I am going to do is I am going to click these three buttons right here. And I could do my, hold on, up here. I'm going to do my edits. So now I have the ability where I could edit this. I can install Pixel. I can also change the custom branding to the branding that I would like. And all I have to do is install that pixel on my landing page. All right. Let me know what you all think about that over in the chat box. What about WordPress pages? Any type of landing page out there you are able to do. Okay. So any page that you are willing to do. My laptop is, hold on. My laptop is almost dead, which is weird. Oh, hold on one second, you all. I don't know what I think the dog actually knocked it out. Okay. Now, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people are asking, well, can this be resold? And how would I be able to resell this product? Now, there is one other product here that is Smart CRM. It is actually going through an update right now. Let me see if my developer is finished with the update. I love to show that to you all, but if he is not, let me just see. Hold on. All right. Yes, he finished it. We just have to redo something. So this is our last but not least, the last part of, well, one other part to it. This is your HR, CRM, and project management system. What this system allows you to do is fully run your company no matter what. It is, gosh, you have everything that you can actually imagine here. Let me just show you the features of this. So you can track projects, you can add member, you can assign tasks, you can manage all of your billing, so your estimates, your invoices, your payments. You can also integrate with OneSignal, Slack, and PayPal. And let me just log in here and show you how this actually works. So let me log in here and show you how robust this is. Now, what I am going to be doing also is I am going to be, this is the admin part. Let me sign out of my admin part. Let me just sign into the regular part. So hold with me one quick second and let me get that admin. I don't want to sign into the admin part. Let me sign into the user. All right, let me just do that. And do this. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. All right, so let me do this. Okay. All right, so let me show you how this actually works. The great thing about this is that you get your own URL for you to be able to sign up with, and you can add in your own company URL. So you can have your company name, you can have your email address, your passcode, and all of that information. So you can give each one of your customers their own URLs to be able to log in. Let me just find my URL really quick because I'm on my super admin. Hold on, let me go with my companies and let's see here. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. All right, hold on 1 second, you all. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to sign out and we are going to set up our own company. Don't have an account, sign up. And what I'm going to do is my company name, I'm just going to do Video Remix CRM. I'm going to do a different email address, deanvideoremix.io. I'll add in a password right here. Hold on. All right, let's just make these work. All right, so now it is going to send me a confirmation email. Let me just confirm that, and then I'll go ahead and I'll be able to sign in. Log into my dashboard. Okay, hold on 1 second. All right, so let me just log in here and give you a quick view of, hold on, Video Remix. Wait, I just did this, hold on. Hold on. All right, let me do it again. I don't know what just happened. Hold on. We just did Video Remix, CRM, my email address. So let me try a different email address. C.com and Video Remix. Okay, let me sign up. Okay, just verify that email. Let me just go and verify that really quick. All right, hold on. Let me just sign in and verify my email. Okay, just signing in with my email. Verify. Okay, one moment. .com. So I'm just going to verify this, and let's just make sure that this works. All right. Okay, so getting in is where you set up your account. So what we are going to do, what you have the ability to do here is you have the ability to put your company name in, your company phone number, your company website, address, all of your logo, and update that. You are going to have a CRM where you could put your clients and also your leads into that CRM. You have your leads part. So let me just go ahead and add all of this information in. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to do New York. I'm just going to update this. Boom, boom, boom. Company address. Let me just do that. Okay. You can also do invoices or invoicing. So what we have is we've already made some invoices in here for you to use. So invoice templates that you're going to be able to use. So you have all of your logos. You have your due date. You can add invoice notes. So you could choose what invoice you would like to set up. And then last but not least is you have all of your tools here. So you have your client section where this works as your CRM. Also with your leads, you have HR where you have your employee list, your department, your destination, your attendance, your holiday, your leave. You have your work where you can do contracts, projects, tasks, task board, task calendar. Time logs. You have finance where you can do estimates, you can do invoices, payments. I love the invoice because it also has auto sign. You can also add your products in here. You can do your support tickets right inside. You can also message anyone that is on the message board. You have events, you have reports. So you have task reports, time log reports, finance reports, income versus expense report, leave reports, attendance report. You also have billing, okay, where you can do all of your billing. The great thing about this is you can do this for each and every one of the local businesses that you are working with, okay? Do you have to sign the invoice? Let me show you something really cool about the invoicing that I absolutely love. This invoice has auto signature where you can, not auto signature, but you can actually sign it. So let me just do this really quick, okay? So let's do one thing that we have to do is we have to create a product really quick. So let's create a new product. So that product is going to be Smart Business. Okay, that price is going to be, let's say, $497. We're not going to do any tax, and this is Smart Business. This actually has e-signature. Example. Okay, so we're going to do an example. And we're going to do that. So we have that. Now, what we're going to do is we'll go over to our finance. And we could do estimates right here. We could create an estimate. So we could have, I don't have any clients. We have to add a client first too. Let me just add a client really quick. Let's do Dean Gilmore. Dean, this one, company name, example, boom, boom, boom. We do that. No. So you can actually send them login credentials, which is right here. You can also give them email notifications. So we're not going to do that. And let me just do our finance. So I'm going to do an estimate right here. You can create your own estimates. So let's just see here. Estimate, you could choose which currency it is, how that is done. I'm just going to do a smart CRM, and I will do test right here, add that item, just do a note, test. I'm going to save that. Okay, so you could save it and then you can actually send it. So let me just put the amount right here. No taxes, the amount. Okay, unit price, let's say it's $497. Okay, and then I could save this. Oh, hold on. Amount is a number. Oh, hold on. I got to delete this one. Save. Okay, and then what I could do here is I can actually send this. Okay, so I could send this directly to my customer, but also too, I can create an invoice for it. And what I can do is I can actually send that invoice over to them for them to actually download. We could send, I could add payment, and I also have a payment link. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. I can create my own payment link for them to pay for that product, okay? So you can create all of your invoices. You can even have them e-sign, right? Which makes it a lot easier for we to do. Can we pay our VA through this as well? Yes, you can pay your VA through this. You can manage every aspect of your company, okay? Now, last but not least, because that took a little longer than I wanted to, I want to show you how you're going to be able to sell this product and get it working for you right away. How many of you all are interested in that? Let me know. Let me know over in the chat box how many of you all are actually interested in that. Give me a 222 and some dollar signs over in the chat box, okay? All right, so let me show you all this, okay? Because I really, really, really love this, right? Is what we've actually made is this, is that we have made a smart business generator. Now, let me show you how this works, okay? One of the main issues that a lot of people have when it comes to them purchasing products is being able to get a website up and viable for people to start using right away. How many of you all have ever bought a product and it came with a website and it took you forever to be able to put that website up? Okay? And it took you forever to be able to put that website up. Give me a 222 in the chat box. If you ever bought a product and you really want to be able to sell it, but you got to get a website up and you have all of these issues being able to get a website up. That's happened to you. Well, what we've done is we've taken the complications out of everything for you. And what we are giving you also is our smart business generator. Now, let me show you how easy and quickly this works. Over in the chat box, someone give me a business name that they would like to set this business, their business up under, okay? Let me know over in the chat box. Give me a business name. Digital Jewel. We're going to do that. So I'm going to do Digital Jewel. I'm just going to put in a sample address, okay? And I'm just going to put in a false phone number right here, but watch this, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Create business page and watch this. Hold on. Oh, what is going on? What's going on with my, hold on one second. Let me just figure out what's going on here. Okay, hold on one second. This is supposed to make us a page. really quickly, and let me see what is going on, because it was just working a few minutes ago, and now let's see what's going on here. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Now it's working. Sorry about that. I just had too much in the memory. So what we're going to do is this. Let's just go back here and let me show you this. So we have the Smart CRM, we have Smart Analytics, Smart Marketing Hub, Smart Notifications. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly create a business for Smart Analytics for Digital Jewel, located at 18046 Ponciana Avenue, and she can be contacted at 561-246-7234. And I am going to create that business landing page for this product and look at their Digital Jewel, analyze and understand your user's behavior. And now that landing page is already built for you. You don't have to go out and do a landing page. We actually host that landing page for you. We are adding in the billing page for you also. That should hopefully be done today, but you can do that with each and every one. Let me just go back here. You can do that with each and every one of these businesses. So Smart Marketing Hub, you want to sell Smart Marketing Hub, you need a landing page. Well, Digital Jewels, #1 marketing platform for your social network, and it gives you our entire landing page for you to be able to use. We do all of the hosting. You don't have to worry about the hosting. All you have to do is use this URL. Another thing that you can do, and I'm going to show you why smart links is so important. So this is our smart notifications. So now you have your smart notification landing page, and you'll also have your packages. I'm putting the billing packages there. Like I said, so people will be able to sign up for it, and you can have your sites up as soon as you jump in, only a few minutes later after those sites are done. So all you have to do is enter in your information, and all of your instant web pages are done for you. You don't have to worry about putting up a web page. You don't have to worry about actually going and hiring someone to do it. It is all done for you. What do you all think of that over in the chat box? Being able to do that. Can you edit the landing pages? These landing pages here, you cannot edit. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you two different types of landing pages. You have the landing page generator, or the Smart Business Generator, and also we're going to give you landing pages that you'll be able to edit. What this page does is it already has the landing pages done for you, so there are no edits to it, but we're going to give you both sets of landing pages. But if you're someone that doesn't want to deal with putting a landing page up, putting your website up, editing the website, then this is the quickest, easiest way to be able to do it. Okay? Pretty amazing. Will there be training for the customers that purchase the product? What I am actually doing is that I am doing training videos for you. They will be white label training videos. But yes, there will be training videos for you. What I would say is that suggest is you could use those training videos, or you could do those training videos over. If you are going to do it in your company, then you might want to brand them with your videos. But what I'm going to be doing is having a 3-day class on this. Hopefully that is going to start on Wednesday, okay? So there will be a 3-day class on this, and during that class, before that class, I'll have the training videos done, and I'll add them to the back end. So this is everything that you are going to try to get, that you are going to be able to get. Do you have to have a purchase domain name? No, you do not have to have a purchase domain name. But what you would do is this, right? Is you would take this URL, and then what you would do is you would go over to Smart Links, okay? And what you would do is you would actually go over to the dashboard and you would put this URL in, and then you would add in your advanced options, and you would say that you want this to be Jules, let's say Jules Business, right? And then you wouldn't password protect it, okay? You could have the description, so it would be Jules. You could do Jules Smart Notifications or whatever you want it to be. Okay, and then what you would do is you would have this. So we have this shortened, and now we have this link right here that you would be able to use for your business, okay? So you could use that, but if you have added a custom domain, you'll be able to add a custom domain to be able to do it, but you would just have this shortened URL. You would have the URL shortener that could shorten that for you. And now you have a branded website that you could use right away. So you have no time. It's not going to take you any time to be able to do it. You can have your website up in seconds. You can have all 4 of your websites up in a matter of minutes, okay? So you have out of this, hold on one second. Let me just see something really quick. So with the Smart Business Generator, you have the Smart CRM, the Smart Analytics landing page, Smart Marketing Hub, Smart Notifications, and Smart Links. All you have to do is enter in your business information, your name, your address, and your contact information, and you are absolutely done, okay? Can we sell all of the items separately? That is exactly how you would sell the items, or you could sell them as a part of a package. That is really up to you. So now let me get into what everything we have to offer in Smart CRM. So if you all are interested, you all could go ahead and you would be able to jump in. Now, if you are interested, you could go ahead and you'll be able to jump in, or you could look at it and maybe you just need some time to be able to look through things and go over things. But this is everything that you are going to have in Smart Business. So let me just show this to you really, really quickly. Hold on one quick second. Okay. So with Smart Business, it is the ultimate smart video, list building, social media marketing, link shortener, and retargeting, CRM, workforce management, website analytic business in a box on the market. You are going to get everything that a business would need, you would need also. So for lead gen, you are going to get our list builder feature. For retargeting, you are going to be able to get our smart links feature, which I showed you. For social media marketing, you are going to get our smart marketing hub. For CRM, HR, and project management, you will have our smart CRM. For website analytics, you will have smart analytics. And last but not least, for higher conversion, sales, and growth, you will get smart notifications. Now, the thing about this is that the reason that I put this package deal together is because for a lot of you all, it is going to help you be able to sell to more businesses because you have more things to be able to offer. So what I am doing is something very, very unique today. Is the best way to be able to do this is that you can package this in a deal and charge customers $500 a month for all of these tools. I am doing a 3-day training starting. It's going to be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm going to show you how to set up each business. I'm going to show you the back end of each business and how to be able to use them. And also, too, I am going to show you how to be able to sell this and be able to find customers. That's on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, okay? So let me just get into what is the pricing of this offer if you are interested in it. So let me go down to the pricing on everything that you are going to get. Hold on 1 second. Let me just bring that up. Okay, so let me get this URL really quick. So let me just go over this really quick and show you what you all are going to get, because there are bonuses that are in here also. Mr. Computer, stop that. Hold on 1 second, you all. Let me just bring this up. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. Just getting used to this new computer. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let me show you everything that is going to come with this package, okay? You are going to get Smart Business. This is a one-time offer. This is not something that you are going to have to pay yearly for. You are not going to be billed over and over for. So Smart Business, the ultimate video, the ultimate smart video list building, social media marketing, link shortener, retargeting, CRM. Basically, you get 6 different products in one. You are also going to get our video remix list building software. You are going to get fully customizable list building opt-in forms. You are going to get our lead generation marketing video, word for word marketing video posts, personalization marketing videos, social media marketing videos, real estate marketing videos, LinkedIn personalized videos, LinkedIn group intro posts, LinkedIn group niche intro videos, downloadable handouts for LinkedIn groups. You're getting LinkedIn personalized ads and then LinkedIn MP4 downloadable ads. So everything that you need to be able to market this tool, you are going to have as bonuses. You are also going to get Smart Links. It has a value of $497. It's an advanced URL shortener platform. You are also going to get our Smart Marketing Hub valued at $997. You can manage multiple social networks, schedule posts, increase your traffic, and engage your audience. And it shows all of the features here. You are also going to get Smart CRM, which is our CRM and project management suite. So keep all of your team's tasks in one place, collaborate and work in real time with real results. You are also going to get our Smart Analytics. Smart Analytics is like Google Analytics, but you get to keep all of your data instead of giving that data over to Google, which has your ability to learn about your visitors, session replays, and you own all of the data. You're also going to get smart notifications, which you are going to get 14 included site notifications, informational, live counter, email collector, cookie notification, score feedback, latest conversion, YouTube video demo, random review, social share, conversions counter, emoji feedback, coupon bar, moto collector, call to action. You're going to get unlimited campaigns, unlimited notifications, custom campaign branding, notification statistics, conversions, and an invoicing system. And then I am going to be giving you also 14 more bonus notifications. So you are going to have 10 bonus notifications. You are going to have 24 notifications in total. And the price that we are doing for this, ladies and gentlemen, is I wanted to do something that not only could everyone in here afford, I am doing it at one time. Now, the way that this is going to work is going to be very easy. I am bringing on 50 people for this offer. Right now, we already have 30 people for this offer. The reason for 50 people is because it gives me a good enough, big enough group to be able to train and give some extra attention to. We sold this the week before, and we already have 30 people that have jumped into this offer. So what I'm offering to you all is that this is a one-time fee. Over in the chat box, if you are ready for the pricing, let me know. Give me a yes over in the chat box. Let me go ahead and get you all the URL. So the way that Smart Business is going to work is it has 11,426 dollars per year in value. And what we are doing it for is we are doing it for a one-time only payment at $9.97. You can use PayPal, you can use PayPal credit, you could also use a credit card. Now, there are some of you all out there who already have our list builder functionality. If you are one of the people who have our list builder functionality and you would like to get into this offer, what we are doing is we are taking the list builder functionality off because you already have it. And what we are allowing you to do is get all of this software at a one-time price of $5.97 since you already have list builder. Now, if you are interested in jumping into this, over in the chat box, give me a I'm in over in the chat box. And what I will do is I will get you the links that you need to be able to jump into this when you are ready. What is the price for Smart Video Owners? The price for Smart Video Owners is $9.97 one time. You don't have to pay yearly. You don't have to pay, you're not going to have to pay yearly. You're not going to have any monthly charges. You're going to get all 6 softwares, including the builder and all of the bonuses that I showed you, along with training that will go from Wednesday to Friday of this week, okay? I'm in over in the chat box. If you need the URL if you need the link to be able to get in, just put the word link over in the chat box and we will send you that link and I will start answering your questions, okay? All right, hold on one second. Let me just send this over to you, Brett. Let me send this over to you, Michael. One moment. Okay. Do I need the same email? Do I need to use same email like for Video Remix? I'm assuming you're talking about when you are purchasing. If you want to use the same email, I always say keep the emails the same, so that we will be able to know what email address that you have and we could look at your purchases. So I would keep the same email. Rick, sending that over to you. Catherine, I do not have a 6-pay option. And how does hosting work? How does hosting work? I just showed you how hosting works. We host the sales pages for you. We will also give you the sales pages for you to make your own. If you want to make changes to those sales pages, you will be able to make this changes to those sales pages, or we will do the hosting for all those pages for you by using the Smart Business Generator. Okay, hold with me one quick second. I am already in, ready for training on Wednesday. Any chance you can break this up? Not sure what you actually mean by break this up, Terry. Let me know over in the chat box. I only need the list builder feature. How do I get that? If you are only interested in the list builder feature, the list builder feature goes for $4.97. If you are only interested in list builder, I could send you a link for that $4.97, but you get for a little bit more, you get more of a package. So that is up to you. Hold on one second. Can we buy one software only? The marketing one, for instance, I have not broken these up into different packages. Those packages will go anywhere from $4.97 to $9.97, but I will help you all out and I will do that for you. So only on the chat box really quick. Let's do this. Let me do this for people in the chat box. Hold on one second. Let me just see something really quick. How many of you all over in the chat box already have List Builder but would like this software package? Let me know in the chat box if you already have List Builder but you would like the software package. Let me know. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, link for $5.97. Is Smart Business Generator available included with Smart Marketer? No, it is not included with Smart Marketer. We are going to be using it for Smart Marketer, so I will do that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, let me just get all of these links for you all. Hold with me one quick second, everyone. Let me just get these links over to you. One moment, one moment. Hold on. Okay. Let me help everyone out. Just hold with me one quick second. Trying to get this link for you. Hold on. Okay, hold with me one moment. Let me just get this link over to you now. There are people that want to jump in, but they already have, let's do it this way. I have the link ready for those that only need, hold on, where is this? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. All right, hold on one second. So, TTPS, boom, 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 video remix.io/smart business with excluding list builder. Okay, let me just make sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hold with me one quick second. All right, let's get everyone in here. How many of you all already have how many of you all already have List Builder and you would like to jump into this? All of the software packages, the 6 different software packages for Smart Business, but you already have List Builder, so you need the $597 price, okay? I want to just get those people taken care of right now and get the links over to you. Just put that over in the chat box. Let me know over in the chat box if you need it without the List Builder. Just put the word LB in the chat box if you already have the List Builder and you would like to jump into Smart Business. All right, hold on one second, okay? All right, so if you already have List Builder and you want to jump in, it is only going to be $597, okay? And I am going to send this over to you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not trying to do this to rush you all or say, hey, listen, you got to jump into this. If this works for your business, then it works for your business. Now, this is the thing. If we come to find out that you don't have List Builder, then what we'll do is we'll have to send you over the correct link, okay? Now, like I said, I am only taking 50 people. I am going to, let me look on the screen and see how many people I have. The reason that we want to keep it to 50 is because that group is going to be the group that we work closely with. After we collect on 50, after we get up to 50, what we're going to be doing is the price is actually going to be going to a yearly price of $997 instead of one time. So if you'd like to get in at that one-time offer, you could get in for the $997, or you could get in for the 597 if you already have List Builder, okay? So let me go ahead and get those people over. Hold with me one quick second. Okay, got those people over. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, I have already purchased transaction, but I only get access to projects video remix. If you look on the side of your projects bar, you will see everything. Once you are in, let me just show you how this works. Once you are actually in, let me just go to here. Let me go to Revolution. Let me close some of these out, you all. Hold with me one quick second. Let me just close these out. Okay. All right, let me close these out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Revolution. And then we are going to, what you're going to do is you are going to go into your projects and courses. And over on the side chat box, over on this side right here, you are going to see your smart links, your smart marketing hub. You will see your smart CRM, your smart analytics, your smart notifications, and your smart business generator. You will start accounts, new accounts with each one. Okay, so that's where you are going to find that at. Hold with me one quick second. Let me just make sure. Hold on one moment. Okay, hold with me one second. I'm just trying to log in here. Okay, hold with me. Let me make sure. I just want to let everyone know who's actually in, because like I said, we had 20 spots left. So let me just make sure and let everyone know that you're in. Bill, you are in. Matthew, you are in. Brett, you are in. Jermel, you are in. Jay, you are in. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Got you all in. Hold on one second. Let me just do this. Boom, boom, boom. That is done. Got in. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Gotcha. All right. Can we get the link for register for Wednesday's class? I am actually going to be sending the link out today. Normally, I would automatically add you all into the webinar. So I will send the link out later today, but I will also be automatically adding you all to the webinar so that you don't miss it, okay? Project video remix work, then 2 different emails, business and project extra email. Darko, I have no idea what you mean by that, okay? Your new menus have populated. Good, good, good. All right, hold on over in the chat box. Does anyone need the link for the smart business with the list builder? Okay, smart business with the list builder. Let me know over in the chat box. Just put the word link over in the chat box. Again, what you are going to be getting is you are going to get our video remix list building software, our customizable list building opt-in forms, our lead generation marketing video, word for word marketing video posts, personalization marketing videos, social media marketing videos, real estate marketing videos, LinkedIn personalized videos, LinkedIn group intro videos, LinkedIn groups to join downloadable handout, LinkedIn personalized ads. That's the video that I showed at the very beginning. You are also going to get the LinkedIn MP4 downloadable ads. You're going to get smart links. You will get smart marketing hub. You will get smart CRM, smart analytics. You are also going to get smart notifications and you are going to get the smart business generator. Now, one thing that I do want to tell you all is that you get resell rights for all of these products, okay? Unlimited resell rights. So you get unlimited users, unlimited rights. But what I would do, and I'm going to teach you all this during sales, is I would actually sell the software to other businesses and other people, but I would also make them a landing page using the smart business generator. Okay, so think about that for a second. You have someone who wants to buy this and you want to resell it. All you have to do is go to the smart business page generator, put in their business name, their business address, their business contact number, and then send them over the URL. And now you have a sale right away along with all of the landing pages. So it makes it really, really simple and easy for you to be able to get this business off the ground. Bill, I got you in. Kim, I got you in also. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Is there a payment plan? Not sure. I do not have a payment plan right now. Andre, contact me in support. I may be able to get you one a little bit later on. So let me know. Okay. But wait, there's more. Yes. Is Smart Marketer a separate purchase? So Smart Marketer is something totally different, BG. Okay. All right. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. Okay, so who am I waiting on right now? There's anyone more than welcome, William. You are more than welcome. Thank you for jumping in. Let me just make sure. Kim, you were in. Bill, you were in. Matthew, you were in. Brett, you were in. Jermel, you are in. Jay, you are in. Ed, I got you in. Jeremy, you are in also. All right. So once this 30 runs out, which it looks like we have about 15 people left, then that price will rise up to yearly at $997. All right, so that is everyone. Darko, I don't have that. Contact support at videoremix.io. You can contact support and they will send that information over to you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, is there anyone in here that is just looking for the list builder feature? Over in the chat box, if you are just looking for the list builder feature, just put list builder, put the words list builder over in the chat box for me. And what I will do is I will get you a link to just purchasing the list builder feature. Hold on. Let me just see something really quick. Okay. One moment. Okay, I actually have two. Okay, list builder. Yes, just the list builder. Hold with me one quick second. I actually have to make you all a product really quick. Let me just do that really quick for you all, and I will get you a URL. Now, the cost of just the list builder feature is going to be $397, ladies and gentlemen, okay? So just for the list builder feature will be $397, and I will go ahead and get that done for you. Hold with me one quick second. Okay, hold with me. Okay, hold on. To sell it to an individual, would I sell at a one time at 697? 697. What I would actually do is I would sell this on a monthly basis. I would sell this as a monthly subscription. I would not sell it on one time. You can always do it at one time, but what I would do is I would actually I would rather do it at a I would rather do it on a monthly basis. These are all tools that businesses are going to need. So I would rather do it on a monthly basis. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, I'm just making this for you all. Give me 2 seconds to get this done, and I will get this over to you so that you can jump into the list builder. Okay, let me know over in the chat box. Does anyone else need any links? If you need a link, just let me know and I will get that over to you. Hold with me a second. Okay, let's do this one. Just one moment, you all. I'm sorry about the wait. Link to list builder, sending that over to you in 1 second. I was actually had it as a package deal, you all. So I actually have to make a product for it for list builder. Just hold with me and I will get that over to you. I'm almost done with that and I'll get that over to you all. One moment. Okay. And what I'll do is for everyone that just wants to get into List Builder, I will also give you the bonuses that came with List Builder. So hold with me one moment. Builder. All right, that is going to be done now. All right, hold with me. Two more seconds. Sorry about that, you all. Okay. All right, here we go. Let me just make sure that this link is working. Sorry about that. Thanks for your patience. Hold on. Sorry, one moment. Gosh, damn. All right, hold on. All right, let me get this over to you. Sorry about the wait, you all. I'm just trying to get this right. Sorry, taking me a little bit longer than I thought. I apologize. Okay, let's do that. Love that. Nine. Okay, let me save this. Okay. Okay, almost done. All right, let's see. Okay. Da, da, da. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to have to give you a different link. Okay, let me just do this link here because this is not working for some reason. Hold on 1 second. Let me just do this. Let me give you a different link. Okay, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to give you a blank link. Let me do this. Hold on 1 second. Sorry, you all. Come on, Pay Kickstart. What is going on with you? Wait 1 second, you all. I'm sorry. Contractors. Okay, here we go. Contractors. Here we go. Got it. Let me see what that URL is. All right, I just have to give you this URL and then we'll have to go and we will literally have to go into your account and make this happen. So be patient with me because I have to give you okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. So this is the link that I am going to use. So this is going to be the list builder link. Do not look at the product that is, you don't need to look at the product that's there. I had to give you a link for a different product because for some reason, would not work for me. So hold with me 1 quick second. Okay, here we go. All right, finally, sorry about that, you all. This is what we're going to do. If you are still on here right now, because this is at 397, we'll just use this link. So what I have done is I have created a link here for you for List Builder. Let me go ahead and send that over. Let me know if you need the link. It is actually under contractors, you all. What I'm going to have to do is have people, our team physically, put the list builder underneath your account. For some reason, Pay Kickstart was not working with me. So over in the chat box, if you still need the link for just the list builder, just put list builder over in the chat box. I will send this link over to you. I thank everyone for their patience. Sorry about how long that took. And then we will allow you to jump in and it is only going to be $365. Okay, so let me know over in the chat box if you need the link for the list builder, just the link list builder over in the chat box. Just put in list builder and I will send that link over to you. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And this is going to be one time. Let me just change that really quick. Hold on. It is going to be one time. So hold with me a second as I change that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Okay. That's been changed and it is only one time now. Only one time at 397. Sorry about the wait, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your patience. Whenever you want technology to work, it never seems to work. But we got it all. Thank you all so much for your patience. So if you still need that link, it is only going to be 397 for one time, but you have to put "I'm in" over in the chat box once you get in, along with your transaction ID. The reason for this is because I needed to use a different product to be able to get you the link for List Builder. And what we physically have to do is go into your account and change it to the right product for you. So once you are in, just put "in" over in the chat box for me, and I will put "I'm in" once you are in, okay? It is a one-time payment, which I have just changed for one time. Good, good, good. Let me know over in the chat box if you need the link, and I will answer your questions over in the chat box. All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry about that. Wait, okay, let's go. We are getting people in right now. I am in. Let me just make sure that you are in. So this is everyone that just needs the list builder feature. Since there has been so much information shared, is there a one pager or anything within list builder? There is not a one pager that is for list builder. Okay. If we bought the lifetime during the day, is that gone now? No, it is not. Once that product is available, it will automatically be added to your account. Okay. Do we have to pay credit cards to use the smart email module? No, you do not. As I mentioned before, there's an email going out about smart email today after I get off this webinar. We have made some sending domains for you, practice sending domains. It is much better with smart email if you make your own domain, okay? So listen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna answer all of the questions on here. Right now, we have over, and this took a little bit longer than we thought. I wanna get everyone into Smart Business. Like I said, Smart Business is going to be going up once we get to 50 people, which we are already at 40 right now. Smart Business will be going up to $997 per year instead of one time. So if you need the link to get into Smart Business, go ahead and put SB over into the chat box. If not, we will go ahead and get everyone in to Smart Links, and we will go ahead and close this down. We've been on here for a little bit just because of technical difficulties, but it is 5:33 right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to give this another 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. And if you are within that 10 minutes, you will go ahead and get those bonuses. If you are not in within that 10 minutes, then these bonuses will go away. So let me know if you have any questions, then feel free to let me know over in the chat box. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we are going to do. It looks like everyone has all of the links that they need. Does anyone need me to wait while they are trying to get in? Let me know over in the chat box if you need me to wait as you are trying to get in. Just put the word wait there. If not, then what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and go out of here. And I want to thank each and every one of you all for being on this website. So I'm sorry, on this webinar today. So thank you so much for being on here. You all have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye now.